How would it feel to be making money for free while literally just being on your computer? Well, today that is exactly what we're going to be going over because I found 10 websites that are free to get started with that have the potential to make you money. And a lot of the time, various websites are out here saying, hey, if you use our website, you're gonna make a ton of money, but you have to pay a monthly subscription. And I know that that can be something that is feasible, but it is not a possibility for everybody. Which is why I thought it was really important to make this video, because not everybody wants to be spending money to make money, which is understandable. And I'm a college student, so I totally get that. And make sure to stay till the end of this video because I saved my favorite website for last. And I don't want to waste your time with a long intro, so let's just get into the video and talk about the first website, and that is going to be one that is known as Skillshare. And Skillshare is an online learning platform where different creators can teach about a certain subject. And this platform operates on a subscription model, meaning that people subscribe to this website and they view these different courses on it. For example, let's say I wanted to know how to play the violin. Well, Skillshare has got my back. And you can make money for free on Skillshare by creating your own course and uploading it. And the good news is, literally anybody can be making a course on Skillshare. And once your course is live, you will earn money by the number of minutes that people view your course. And you don't have to be making a course on something that is totally mind-blowing. There are literally courses out there on how to make a coffee or how to do something simple like tying your shoe even. And Skillshare also offers a referral program, so if you give a referral to one of your friends and they sign up for it, then you can earn a little bit of commission if you want to get extra bonus money there. And the best part, of course, is the fact that you don't have to pay to get started with them. You don't have to pay to upload your course online. All you need really is just a little bit of a skill, because the skill could literally be just making coffee or making matcha. Make me a course on how to make matcha because I love matcha and I'm looking for ways to make mine better. But you also don't need a fancy camera either. You could literally just film these courses on your phone or literally your computer camera. I was trying to hold it up, okay. And then you can edit your course on a free video editing software such as CapCut. And the good thing about creating a course, in my opinion, is the fact that it is a great source of a passive income. Meaning you just create this course once and then people keep viewing it and you keep making money over time without having to actively work. Now let's move on to the second website that I found, and that's a website called Medium. And on the website Medium, I quote, they say, "On Medium, anyone can share insightful perspectives, useful knowledge, and life wisdom with the world." So it's basically a place where people can just share knowledge. And making money on Medium requires no upfront investment, which that is the theme of the video. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to create your account and then join the Medium Partner Program, which again, that is going to be free. And then you can start writing articles that interest you or articles that are just in demand, or you can get the best of both worlds and write an article that is interesting for you and that is in demand in the world. And you don't need any special tools, literally just your computer or your phone. And then the next thing you need to do is just keep writing and publishing your articles consistently. And engaging with others on this website can also build you a following, which is important. And the way that you earn money with Medium is when people read your articles, it tracks how long you read your articles, and then you get paid by the number of minutes that these people are viewing your articles. And the good thing about Medium, in my opinion, is the fact that it has a built-in audience, meaning you don't have to be spending money on promoting your articles, which is a plus. You don't have to go on over to social media and promote your articles. Medium will do this for you. And then I would also like to add that you could utilize different AI tools to help you come up with different article ideas and brainstorm for your articles. Now let's move on to our third website, and this one's a lot like Skillshare, and this one is called Udemy. And to make money on Udemy, you are basically going to be, again, selling different courses. And when you sign up for your Udemy account, you're going to want to set your profile as an instructor, because you are a teacher here. That is your new lifestyle. Maybe, if you want. I'm not forcing it. And then once you're registered, you can begin creating your course, which, woo, exciting. But you're going to need to plan your course and think about, what do I want my course to be about? And I would choose a topic that you are both skilled in and a topic that is, again, in demand. And then you just want to make an engaging series of videos that all revolve around this one skill, which again, it could literally be making a matcha latte, which please help me with. And then just like Skillshare, recording your course can be very simple. You can just literally use your phone, or you could use your camera if you want, if you have a camera, or literally, again, your computer. You could also include different quizzes and assignments within your course to make it more engaging and more appealing. And after creating your content, you simply upload it to Udemy. And this platform does a really great job on guiding you exactly how to put your course out into the world, and it gives you step-by-step instructions. And then you're also going to need to choose a price for your course. And this is where you're going to want to be doing a little bit of research, because you're going to want to see what other people within your niche are pricing their course at, and then kind of model that for your course. And then I would say the only downside with Udemy is the fact that you are going to be the one that has to, for the most part, promote your course, meaning you're going to want to promote it through places like Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. And then this website also offers a bunch of different promotional programs, such as different discounts to increase people buying your course. And then when it comes to earning money with Udemy, you gain revenue from the price that you set for your course. And Udemy handles all of the logistics with this, so they deal with hosting the videos and processing the payments, and overall just providing customer support. So that's some weight off of your back there. And then something that's interesting with Udemy is, depending on how the student found your course, that depends on how much of percentage Udemy takes from your course sale. And by continuously improving your course over time, you can gain a steady income from a website such as Udemy. And again, it is completely free to get started with. And then maybe once you've created one course, you can move on to create another course and a different niche that is also in demand. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth website, and that is going to be within the Amazon world. But specifically, we're going to be talking about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And this is where you can make money for free by self-publishing different ebooks. And don't get scared when I talk about ebooks, because you might be thinking, well, Kayla, I'm not a writer. I don't exactly know how to write a book. And if you were to say that, I would say, hey, I do think you're capable of writing a book. However, we can make this process a whole lot easier with the use of different AI tools. Because AI can help you with a lot of different aspects when it comes to creating an ebook, whether it be brainstorming or writing the book or coming up with a cover for your book or designs within the book. AI has got your back. Okay, and then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is sign up for your Amazon KDP account, and that is completely free. And then you're going to want to create a manuscript that fits the Amazon guidelines. And next, you're going to need to design a cover, and there are a ton of different tools online and free tools that can help you do this, such as a website like Canva. And then once you upload your ebook to KDP, you're going to need to set a price for your ebook. And again, when it comes to setting a price for something, you're going to want to model it off of what other people are setting their book price as. And then once published, your book is available, just like that, on Amazon's website. And then the fun part here is you earn royalties every single time somebody buys your Amazon book, and the distribution for you. So this is all done completely online. And by leveraging Amazon's massive customer base, you could potentially start earning money by writing your first ebook, or your second, maybe it's your third, I don't know. Okay, now let's move on to our fifth website, and that is going to be a website you may have heard of because, well, I've heard of it, but it's a website called Redbubble. But Redbubble is an online marketplace where it allows users to sell a variety of different products, which most popularly, I know that they sell stickers, which I did just buy stickers from Redbubble for a club that I'm in. But we're not only just limited to stickers. We could be selling t-shirts or phone cases or home decor items. Whatever you want, Redbubble has got it, maybe. But before some of you get scared about how you can make money with Redbubble, do not worry, you do not have to be an artist to design something such as a sticker or a t-shirt or a mug. Because in all honesty, some of the most popular designs on Redbubble are literally just text. For example, let's say I wanted to buy a Taylor Swift shirt. Well, I'd head on over to Redbubble and I see all of these different t-shirts that are literally just text-based items. And they just quote her song saying, "We are never getting back together, like ever." Or they say, "I knew you were trouble." But this platform operates on a printing on-demand service, meaning Redbubble will print all of your items for you and you do not have to deal with that whatsoever. Which is great because there are no upfront costs here, you don't have to deal with the inventory, and you don't have to deal with shipping. And when you upload a design on Redbubble, it gets displayed on various products and you get to choose which product you want to go with, whether it be a t-shirt or a tank top or a sticker. And then Redbubble will take care of all the manufacturing, the packaging, and the shipping for you once you upload your design. And you earn a commission or a royalty for each sale that you make with your item. And this is going to vary based on the markup that you set. And this also makes Redbubble an excellent way to make a passive income because you just create this design once and then you can sell it for literally years to come even. And again, there's going to be no cost to get started. So it's a really risk-free place to get started to showcase your creativity. But what about traffic? How do we get people to view our products without promoting them? Well, the good news is Redbubble sellers make money with free traffic, which we love free in this video. And this just essentially means that people come to Redbubble knowing what they want to buy. And Redbubble just attracts a lot of organic visitors that are searching exactly what they want to see on Redbubble, and Redbubble will show that. So you don't necessarily have to have something like an Instagram account to promote your products. Now let's talk about two different ways that you can increase your chances of selling a product on Redbubble. And the first way is going to be search engine optimization. And this is where you're just going to be using relevant keywords in your title and in your tags of your products, and in the description of your products as well. Because then this can increase your visibility in the search engine, which hence the search engine optimization. We optimize our products for the search engine. And this just overall helps your products get discovered. And then the second way that we can increase our chances of getting sales on Redbubble is just choosing trending designs. And this is where you as a seller are going to want to just hop on different trends. For example, Taylor Swift t-shirts. Taylor Swift is super popular and she has been for a while now, so that would be something to maybe hop on. And just overall create products within popular niches and popular themes, because then this will increase the likelihood of people finding your products and purchasing them. Now let's move on to our sixth website, and that is going to be hopping back on over into the Amazon world, but we're going to be talking about Merch by Amazon. And Merch by Amazon honestly works a lot like Redbubble because it is a printing on demand service, just like Redbubble. And this is where you just upload different designs and they can be put on different products like t-shirts or mugs or hoodies or whatever you would like. And to sign up, all you need to do is apply for a Merch by Amazon account. And then you need to design artwork that can be put on this merch. And popular niches and trends can increase your chances of having sales. Next, all you need to do is upload and list your items. So you just upload this design, choose what type of product you want your design to be on, and you choose the color for it, and then you choose the pricing. And when a customer purchases your product, you earn royalties. And this is just based on the price that you set and the cost of production for the specific product that you chose. And there are no upfront costs, so this is a perfect risk-free way to make money from different designs that you've created. And this could literally just be a text-based design as well. Doesn't even have to be artwork that you spent 10 hours on. Moving on to our seventh website, and that is going to be one that is known as Fiverr. And this might be one that some of you have heard of if you've watched my videos. But Fiverr is a website where users can offer different freelancing services. So this could be services for literally anything. It could be services for editing a YouTube video or making YouTube thumbnails. And I'm just talking about YouTube related stuff because I'm on YouTube. But it could be things like graphic design or writing or even programming. You can list all of these different services on a platform like Fiverr. And if you have a skill or a talent, Fiverr is a great place to leverage this skill or talent for some money. And this website makes it super duper easy for you to connect with different clients from all over the world. And all you have to do is start just showcasing your skills today. And then moving on to the eighth website, this is also a freelancing website, and that is one that is known as Upwork. And all you need to do here is create a profile and list your skills and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. And once you secure a job and complete it successfully, you will earn your payment through Upwork's platform, which is nice because they will handle all of the payment processing and the client communication as well. And there are no upfront costs to join or get started working on Upwork. And with Upwork and Fiverr, they are pretty straightforward when it comes to getting started with them, meaning their websites aren't complicated and confusing. So once you get on there, it should be pretty smooth sailing. Okay, now we're moving on to our ninth website, and that is going to be Etsy, which is a popular website, I know, but it is free. But you can make money for free on Etsy by selling different products, whether it be different handmade items or vintage finds that you find at the thrift store, or even different digital downloads. But to get started, all you have to do is create your account and set your fun little profile picture and description and have a little niche for your account. And then you just simply need to list your products and add these items to your shop. And if we want to be even lazier with our work, we could go the digital product way, which in my opinion would be a very smart way to go with Etsy, because for digital products there is no listing fee. So completely free to do these digital products. And for physical products there is a small listing fee. So digital products, keep it in mind. Now, when it comes to promoting your shop, it could be a good idea to promote it on different social media platforms just to really boost visibility for your account. And promoting your Etsy shop on a place such as Instagram is a free way that you can get the word out into the world. And when a customer makes a purchase, Etsy handles the payment processing, and you simply earn money through the sales that you make. But it's going to minus some transaction fees and a small percentage of the sale price. But by leveraging Etsy's platform, you can start making money with minimal upfront costs, or in the digital product case, free. And like I promised at the beginning of this video, I was saving my favorite website for last, so we're on to number 10, and here we are, the big reveal, drum roll please, and that website is going to be YouTube, which, surprise, surprise, I have a YouTube channel, so of course it would be my favorite. And here we are. You can make money for free on YouTube by creating content and uploading it. And with these videos that you upload, you could monetize different ads on your videos, you could gain different sponsorships, you could promote different products on your YouTube channel and get affiliate links for these different products, or promote your own products such as a digital course. So there's a ton of different ways that you can make money with YouTube, which is why it is personally one of my favorites. And once you meet YouTube's partner program requirements, which is going to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you are able to monetize your channel and make money with it through ads. Which, with that being said, you can make money on your YouTube channel before you get monetized by YouTube by promoting different affiliate products and maybe promoting your own course. And then for faceless channels, which is going to be a very popular way to go with YouTube, especially if you're a creator that doesn't want to show your face, which is understandable, I get it. Sometimes I don't want to do my makeup, but I do it and I'm here. But faceless content is content that doesn't require you to be on camera. And this could include content such as different top 10 lists, which would be videos where you narrate over different slideshows and stock footage talking about different top 10s, like the top 10 roller coasters in the United States, or the top 10 places to visit in France. Another example is you could create little animated videos, or another popular option would be animated whiteboard videos. Or you could be making tutorials for your YouTube channel, and you could screen record your computer screen and talk through what you're doing and maybe talk about how to fix a bug on your computer. Another idea would be creating meditation or relaxation videos, and this would be another faceless approach. Or these could be approaches where you show your face as well. But I always want to make sure to provide a way to make a YouTube channel to be faceless, because I know not everybody wants to show their faces. And with a meditation channel, you could use just some calming visuals and relaxing music, which, by the way, please make this type of channel because I've been having some trouble falling asleep, so make me a meditation video, I need it. And these approaches allow you to remain anonymous, but also still make money with YouTube. Now, I could talk on and on about YouTube. However, I'm going to hand it off to my brother if you're interested in starting your own YouTube channel. So make sure to click on this video right here if you're interested in learning how to make money on YouTube without actually having to make videos, which, ooh, how do we do that? Make sure to click on it right here. There's a ton of value here, and we will see you guys there. Thank you. Bye.